Hello everyone, today we are doing back and a bit of cardio. Well, this footage was recorded like a month ago and I have been slacking with editing. Well, I want to get a momentum going again, so join in with this video. Let's get started. Also, if you have any suggestions for me, feel free to drop comments below and I will try to improve or implement the suggestions. Alright, let's start with our workout. So we're starting with some barbell row with underhand grip. We are focusing more on the lats today, and underhand grip really helps target the lats. Starting with some compound exercises is always a good way to start your workout before moving on to some isolated workouts. Also, I think this t-shirt I'm wearing really shrunk after washing. I don't think I got that fat for this t-shirt to fit this way. Okay, so we're not going for heavy weights today. Underhand grips does not help with heavy weights for us. So we stick to weights that are just heavy enough for us to lift and focus on the desired muscle. That is the lats today. Moving on with our workout, we're doing some assisted pull-ups. Not being able to do pull-ups is really sad. Probably my weight plays a huge part on me not being able to do pull-ups. Being able to do 10 good form pull-ups has always been a goal to achieve and really looking forward to it. Let's see within the next year or so I'm able to do maybe 10 in a year, 10 good form pull-ups. That's what I'm looking for. But not having a microphone while working out, you do have to do a lot of voiceover. And even though I have a mic, or even when I'm using a mic while working out, I don't know what sort of content should I bring in. It's just me grunting and shouting while working out. So sometimes I feel like doing voiceover is good, but I don't know. Maybe I'll start using mic more and bringing in much more content next time. Let's see what happens.
Yeah.
Our next workout is chest supported dumbbell row to target our mid-back. Well, you can do this exercise in free weight like we are doing, or you can also go for chest supported machine row. Different grips will target different part of your back. Well, for us, we like to keep the bench in a 45-degree angle and lean the chest on the top of the bench and just pull the dumbbell at the waist level. This movement really targets our upper back overall. We'll give it a try and tell me how did it feel for you. Well, next in line is lat pull downs. We're using a different bar for the grip this time. We wanted to do some neutral grip lat pull downs and this bar really helps us do that. Even though it was quite slippery at the first and it rotated a lot, I got used to it pretty quick, and using this grip really helped me target the lat more than usual. But finally, for our lat finisher, we went for some straight arm pull downs. Doing 3 sets of 12, we completed our weightlifting for the day. Finally, for some cardio, we did some walking and running for about 20 minutes on a treadmill. Doing cardio post-workout has been fruitful. It has really helped me increase my cardio strength and also lose some fats. So we're gonna do some weight check on day 6 and it came out 88.7. Not bad, slowly losing weight. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you all for tuning in on day 6. It's been a short video, but hopefully on the future we can make a much more better content. Thank you, bye.